Hi everyone, it's Hetty again, and Merry Christmas. Let's get started and I'll tell you what I have here. I have 3 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a cup of sugar, 4 eggs, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. What I'm going to do is put the flour in the processor first with the baking powder, the sugar, and the salt, a half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to pulse that, I'm going to pulse it, just to get it well blended. What you're going to do after that is you're going to add 3 tablespoons of Crisco. Now you can use butter, but I think the Crisco makes it a little lighter. So we'll break it up a little bit. I don't want to clump it all in one spot. Okay. And we're going to pulse that also. It gets a little crumbly, like little crumbs in there. Now we're going to add the eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so I'm going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla and the eggs, 4 eggs. And we're going to turn this on until it forms a ball. So I'm going to cut it in 4. And what I'm going to do is roll them. You have to roll them out. Now, and then you're going to cut, them in about 1/2 inch pieces, like this. My son tells me to look at the camera, but I can't look at the camera when I'm cutting things and doing things. So it's on low. Now when you put the Struffoli in, when they're a golden brown, you take them out and you put them here and you let them drain. You don't want to overcrowd them either. So let's see. Here we go. Whoa, you see they'll rise to the top.
Right away or when they're ready?
They'll start rising very soon.
How long are they in there for?
Until they're golden brown. I don't time them. See, they're coming. Okay, so I've been frying the Struffoli, and that's about the color that it should be. See, nice golden.
There's some in there.
So I finished frying the Struffoli, and I've been heating up the honey. It's pretty much, you don't want it boiling, you just want it warm so that it's easy to turn the Struffoli in. So this is the batch. I'm going to put it in the pot.
Still thinking about
you see, little bubblies, and the honey.
Plus these are best when they're
yes,
fresh.
this is
just
nothing like fresh. So then we're gonna put a few jimmies on. Ooh. You can make a bigger batch, whatever you want. I'm gonna taste one. That's pretty good. Until my next video, I'm going to try and make the wine cookies, and then I'm going to try and make seafood salad. Hope you have a wonderful holiday, and try my Struffoli. Oh, by the way, if you want to get all these recipes, there's my cookbook. Manja, it's good for you. That's what our mother used to tell us. Come on, it's good for you. Get eat it. But anyway, if you want to get my cookbook, there's a link down beneath the video where you can go to my website and get a copy. Okay, so Merry Christmas and hope you have a wonderful holiday.